Hey guys, I've always been interested in the g.i.joe Bivouac, and I never really owned one. That's it right there. And I kind of like the idea of having a temporary, like, encampment, aid station, or communications array. So I wanted to build something that could be disassembled and reassembled easily. Let me show you what I came up with. I started with some jumbo craft sticks and glued them together into a frame. I wanted this to be something that could come apart and store easy, so I just used my hot glue, and I glued some paper straws and used a large skewer to create a hinge. That way this could be portable and I could break it down and store it easily. I created several of these frames to do that. I wanted it to have a top, so I made some top brackets using some paper straws. And the paper straws weren't going to be strong enough, so I ended up using some coffee stir sticks to reinforce the paper straws to reinforce, and this worked out pretty good. I might use this in some future builds, but these will be the top pieces of the bivouac. Another top bracket, another top piece to the top of the canopy. And this will be kind of a T section. So this will be the middle part of the top framework. I made this to be the part of the framework that will hold the part of the canopy over the opening of the shelter. I didn't have any olive green paint, so I combined a couple of colors and came up with this color. I still have to do some touch-up painting, but this is coming together. The top skewers go in and they create a hinge with the paper straws and the frame of the bivouac. The canopy portion of it just sits on it. I made some loops for it, but I also think it'd look cool with some of the camo netting. Part of the bivouac set had a weapons rack, so I made my own weapons rack with some coffee stir sticks. Then the weapons will just sit in the weapons rack. You could also break this down, which is a large part of this. Another idea I had was to have some area to hang stuff. So I made this with part of the framing. And part of this is something that I wanted to be able to break down into pieces and store easily. A lot of my projects, I found that I could, even if I break them down, I always had a hard time finding places to store them. So this breaks down into pieces, and then I've fit it all into a box. But here's some of the framework that I used. There's 4 top corner brackets, and then the middle bracket. And it fits nicely in this little box. Well, that's all I have for you. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my videos. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Hit that like button if you like this video. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.